Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial of Windows 8.1 I'm going to show you how to create another user account. The first question you may ask is why you need to create another user account if one is already there in the system. Basically, creating another user account will allow the flexibility of for another user to use the computer in their own way. It will allow them to store their files, folders, videos or pictures in their own user folder so that the other will not be able to view it. Also, if you are an administrator, you can restrict other users to make unnecessary changes in your computer. You can restrict the other user to install program or uninstall program, or you can also restrict them to edit the registry. So to sum up, user accounts are created so that each users can use the computer in their own way as if they are working in a separate PC. So let us start the process for creating a user. Just double click on this control panel icon, then click on this user accounts. Then after that click on manage another account. You can see there are two users currently in this computer. One is Kundan Vatarai, who is an administrator. The second one is a guest account, which is currently turned off. If you want to add another user, click on this link, add a new user in PC settings. Now click on this plus icon. Now there are two options for creating another user. Either you can ask the other user for his email address and you can enter his email address in this text box to create a user, or else if the other user doesn't have an email address, or if you want to sign up a new email address for another user, you can also do that one. For example, if I want to create a new email address for the other user, I will click on this link. Then I will come to this screen where I can create a email address for the other user. I can create the email address in Outlook, Hotmail or live.com, and I can enter the new password and other necessary details for another user. But in this tutorial, since I have the email address for another user, so I will just type in the email address in this box. So this is the email address for the other user. The other user can sign into this personal computer by using this same email address which he has created in Gmail, and he can use the same password for his email address to log into this computer. After typing the new email address for the other user, I will click on next button. Now the computer is asking me whether the other user is a child. If he or she is a child, then I'll put a tick mark on this checkbox. And what does this do is it will make necessary settings in the computer so that the other child user can use this computer safely. Basically, it will restrict the other user, the child user, to have the flexibility of using all features in this PC. It will provide parental control so that the child will not be able to view the pornographic materials and so on. Since I know that the other user is not a child, so I will not click anything. I'll just click on finish, and you can see that a user Kundan Bhatrai has been created. If I want to check it, I can just go back to the screen. I can just go back to this previous screen. Then again I can go back by clicking on this back arrow, and again I'll click on manage another account, and I can see here that there are three users now. One is Kundan Bhatrai, which is me. The other one is Kundan Raj Bhatrai, which will be another user, and the third one is the guest user, which is previously in this computer. So in this way you are able to create another user, we can run this computer and have his own PC. Now the next time when the other user will log into the computer, for the first time he has to fill up necessary details for using this computer, and then he will be able to use this computer as his own PC, so that he can store his files and folders in his separate folder, and others will not be able to view those folders. So this is the process for creating another user in Windows 8.1. Thanks for watching and have a great day.